Surrender cause I stand my ground. You better just surrender cause I stand my ground. You better just surrender cause I stand my ground. You better just surrender cause I stand my ground. Feel it in my bones, boom boom crack, playing it down, track by track, high 5 decibels, low-fi rack, taste so incredible, Scooby stack. Got no money, ain't got fame, low on the pole but high on the game.
My skill is unrivaled, my hand is on the Bible. I swear it's unfair, it's a goddamn shame. I could do the world good if you would give me a chance. I do what I should, can't get into the dance.
These rhymes that I'm peddling, find them unsettling. It's fortified view that keeps me from crumbling and tumbling down to the depths of misdemeanor. Rose up like a phoenix, the fire make me clean.
Nothing comes easy, that's the law of Mother Earth. Won't trade my hard knocks for all the golden Fort Worth. I tell you my story because it needs to be told. I count my blessings for every record I've sold.
Sharp like a samurai, blade made of sound, designed to cut down and stand my own ground. Your lyrical content is somewhat predictable. Kick down your pedestal, life support critical.
My outlook is cynical about the future of tomorrow's MCs never reaching my pinnacle. I'm done telling stories about my heroes and yesterday's glories, about the details of my morning routine, which I began by writing books and fly hooks for mental protein.
Boom boom crack, I formulate my lyrics and remove all the fat so they can make their way through your digestive tract. Yummy and addictive like farm grain crack, monkey on your back.
You better get an army ready while I rock the beat steady. I'm king of the jungle, born and raised in Serengeti. My rhymes are so heady, twist your mind into spaghetti, slice you up like a machete and toss you like confetti.
When I was a kid, I thought that fighting was a sin, and now I know the truth. If you never fight, you never win. Jab me all you want, I could take it on the chin, then I throw you on the mat. 1, 2, 3, pin.
The time is from around, I push you to the ground, I make you strip the floor just like you were a bloodhound. Listen to my sound in stereo surround, can't help but get down while you coronate my crown.
Can't keep me earthbound, can't hide me underground, can't pretend every rapper doesn't emulate my sound. Can't find common ground, nothing common can be found. My lyrics so profound they only heard with ultrasound. Anybody gonna try and take me down, you better feel lucky cause I stand my ground. Ain't got time for no pretenders, no wanna be contenders. You better just surrender cause I stand my ground. Anybody gonna try and take me down, you better feel lucky cause I stand my ground. Ain't got time for no pretenders, no wanna be contenders. You better just surrender cause I stand my ground.
Take it from the top when I hear the beat drop. I show no mercy like a renegade cop. Clean the room with your sissy, so you better get a mop. Go back into your holes and do the bunny hop. Head over heels, you do the flip flop. Your knees get weak and you do the body rock. Time's running out, you do the tick tock.
Like a captain's spot, I take what I want cause I paid my dues. My first debut was on the nightly news. 15 years old, I broke my
Thanks for
curfew.
watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for the newest makeup transformations from Beauty Well.